Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn SQL with Shahid. Today we are going to discuss about 2022 and 2025 SQL Server installation. So let us proceed with that. Like I have kept here in SQL Media. I'm installing now 2022 SQL Server. Okay. So let us go to setup.exe and right click on this and run as administrator /. Yeah, already I have this downloaded in my local laptop. Okay, I'm not going with Oracle virtual machine. So, hardware and software requirements, as you can see, for example, in 2012, 2014, 2016, 2017, and 2019, wherever you go in planning page, you can see here hardware requirement, whatever the documentation you want, you can see here. So I will click on hardware and software requirement for 2022. So if I scroll down here, I get .NET framework of 4.7.2. Software and hardware requirement both we will see here, and operating system must be Windows 10 or greater, like Windows 11 also it will work, and Windows Server 2016 or greater. Okay, about this it will work. So I will proceed with installation, and yeah, if you want any documentation to read, nothing new here, as I discussed previously in other videos. So here we have DMA, data migration assistant, and all everything here same. Like we have a new thing here, Azure extension for SQL Server. This is the new thing introduced in 2022. Like we need a cloud, okay, cloud platform, that is Azure account we need for that, where we can integrate with on-premises as well. So I will be discussing that and all. And here we have installation. In installation you can see reporting services out in 2017, management studio, like it is out in 2016. From till 2014 it was coming as a bundle pack. Okay, so it is a separate tool now. SQL Server data tools are also now out, everything like upgradation. If you want to upgrade from previous, for example 2012 to 2022, you can upgrade using this. This also I will be letting you know. Like one more thing, if you want to upgrade from 2005 to 2022, you can't upgrade directly. First you need to upgrade to 2008. This is, and you need to upgrade from 2008 to 2022. Okay, so this is the important interview question as well. I am clicking on new SQL Server standalone installation now. So nothing same here. It is asking for hotfix. I will not click because it will take time. Okay, so I am clicking on next. It has run checks and .NET Framework 4.7.2 or newer is required. Okay, fine. Machine learning and all they have introduced previously in 2019, 2017, like that. Okay, that R, Python, and Java, as I said. Okay, I will click on next. So you'll be seeing here this and all 4 instances, right? This and all I have installed it previously. So if you see here MS SQL Server, this is the default instance. Okay, whatever you are seeing here, MS SQL 3, 4, and MIG, these three are named instance. Okay, like this we can install 50 instances in a server. Okay, in one server you can install 50 instances. Yeah, I'm clicking on next. This will be developer edition. So clicking on next, accept license terms, next. So as I said, Azure extensions for SQL Server, they have been integrated to Azure cloud technology to on-prem. I'm unchecking this box, or I have to get this Azure account for that. To install Azure extension for SQL Server, provide your Azure account. See, or a service principal to authenticate the SQL Server. We want Azure account for this. So what is Azure? What is cloud technology? There are three types of cloud technology platforms, and what and all that I will be letting in, like private, public, and hybrid clouds and all. There is lot of things to discuss. So I will click uncheck this and I will click next. See here, nothing special here. Database services, replication, machine learning, and all it is there previously only. Here one change it is there. Where is that? So guys, here we see like database engine services, SQL Server replication is common. And one thing changes, we can't see here client tools compatibility and backward compatibility, client tools connectivity, and client tool backward compatibility. Okay, so here actually I think it is bundled in database services itself, and it supports client connectivity support as well. So we are selecting these two options, and I will be clicking next. So that is the change in 2022, and we need a Windows PowerShell 3.0 higher. Okay, so I will give named instance as MS SQL 2022. Okay, I am clicking on next. Instance ID it will take. Okay, if I click here, so we have here inbuilt virtual accounts. This is from 2000. Just a minute, I have given 00, right? Okay, now it is correct. So you don't forget to click this grant perform value maintenance task, which is instant file initialization. It will avoid zeroing up the databases. Okay, in a database, so database creation will become faster. So clicking on next can make this automatic, and afterwards also you can make it automatic, no issues. So next, and here we like we don't have any changes. Normal we'll say as in 2022 only, like 10 db max dopo memory file stream data directory and SQL configuration. We have to add a user here. We'll be adding Shahid. Check names, it will take my desktop laptop name. I'll be clicking OK. So I have added my username, and who will be added here, he'll be having sysadmin full privileges. Whatever he wants to do, he can do in SQL Server. So I'm clicking on next. Yeah, SQL Server options you can see where it is ready to install. Okay, PowerShell 3.0 and Microsoft Visual Studio C++ we need for this 2017 redistributable. So okay, I will install this and I will wait till it completes. So let it complete. I will discuss about SQL Server features, like whatever till today we have discussed, right? So it is just enhancements. What they did, what the tab we have extra, and all, like memory, 10 db, and what they have removed, like reporting server they have made different entity, and SSMS they have made a different entity in 2016. Okay, so that and all just to our knowledge purpose. Okay, for our satisfaction levels, that's it. Whatever the main thing, features and all, we are going to discuss in further classes. So whatever they have brought the features, actual features, and all I will be letting you know. So in 2022 we have contained availability group. Okay, contain availability group means master and MSDB will synchronize, because there will not need to transfer logins and all, like sysadmins who will be having that right, they will only will be copied to master, means to the secondary servers. I will be discussing, you will be confused, so I have not discussed these things and all. So I will be discussing these things and all later on classes. Whatever the enhancements they have made, I will be letting you know, like built-in query intelligence, like query store it was there before, that and all I will be discussing. Okay, let it complete that installation. Actually, I hope it will complete till now. Yeah, this SQL Server database, engine services, everything got installed successfully. So I will be connecting to SSMS now. Click run as administrator. So with Windows authentication, we need to connect. I have again MS SQL 2022. We can connect now. Yeah, this instance has been connected. For 2022, we have here 16.0. Okay, so we can connect here and play with the databases. Right click new database, we can create like this. I will also show you 2025 installation. So I will go to 2025 installation now. Here I already set up files. Right click on this, and also in 2025 this logo has changed for SQL Server. This blue color you will see, right? That is SSMS. Okay, SSMS to connect, and the logo also changed for SQL Server 2025. So I'm clicking on next, run as administrator. This logo has changed, you can see here, for SQL Server installation 2025. So same thing you will see here, and I will click on next installation. Install SQL Server management tools. See here SSMS tools logo has changed here. So same thing, add cluster node upgrade and migration, like separately this and all, like same thing. You have to, whatever you are seeing in blue, you can go through these links and you can install. So I'm again going with a new SQL Server installation. Okay, okay, fine. I'll click on next. It was asking for updates. Let us check with this installation. It is asking again 4.7.2 or newer or greater also it is possible. Okay, so see here, last time I have installed it 2022. Okay, MS SQL 2022. Like we can install 50 instance. Okay, one is default instance, 49 are named instance on a server. If you go to Oracle, so there you can, there was option to go install only one instance. Okay, so we have multiple options, like we can create a lot of instances, like limit up to 50. And also one thing, like maximum in every environment where you will work, there you will see only one instance maximum. Okay, like in some environments, in some cases you can find 2 or 3 last, okay, maximum 2 or 3, that's it. In every organization you will see only one instance, okay, on a server, so performance will be better due to because it will share memory, right, RAM and all, that 3 instances also if we have 3, so that's the reason we won't keep 3 instances or 2 instances in on a server. Like everyone will prefer only one instance on a server. So I'll be clicking on next. Addition as Microsoft Azure, same thing. Like last 2022 they have introduced it. So I'll accept license terms and click on next. So here Azure extension we have like in 2022, same thing. Screen is popping up. I will click on next. So we have here AI services new. See here, AI services and language extensions. Okay, these are the new features introduced. Okay, nothing other thing like full text and all, semantic extraction for search and polybase and all, it was there before only. AI services and language extensions are introduced. Okay, this is the main enhancements in 2025. I'll click this, and also PowerShell 3.0 you can see as here. I will give as MS SQL 2025 named instance. Instance ID it will take same. If I click here next. And perform volume maintenance and SQL virtual inbuilt virtual account added from 2012. Before, and in 2005 and 2008 there were like sharing with Windows, that local system and NT authority. Here we have NT service. Okay, don't forget to click on this grant perform volume maintenance task. Okay, so it is mandatory, and also it is an interview question, so I'm repeating again and again. So we have same thing here. We have to add a user ID. Okay, click on next. So same thing. Yes. It is faster because I have SSD. Like also please make sure everyone laptop when installing and playing with this SQL Server instance, everyone laptop should be in SSD. Okay. So my laptop is fast due to SSD hard disks. So make sure about that. And also if you install you have one prerequisite. You should know one thing, like drives will be there. No, it should be with 64K allocation. So I am going to SSMS here, and I will connect to that successful installation. I will you change here 22 as 25 and then connect. So yeah, this is the way to install the SQL Server, and see, if you see here 17.0. Okay, you can connect to the database, and if you want to create the database, like main purpose is to create a database. Okay, if we install the instance on a server, so we will click to create a new database. We can create a new right click new database. You can give it as db1. Okay, so if you click OK, then the database db1 is created. In next class I will be discussing on creation of the database, creation of the tables, and like what is the system databases. What is this user databases? Like there will be 6 system databases, and another two. One is a resource database that is hidden, okay, and another one is distribution database, okay. When configuring replication, you'll find here distribution database, okay, like configure distribution. Here you can see. So I'll be discussing these things and all in my later on classes. So that's all for today's video. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye.